Hi, today we'll be learning HTML coding. In that we'll make a web page somewhat look like a Flipkart. So this is the web page that we will create today. So it is looking somewhat like a Flipkart. So we'll try to make same as it is, and I have all the images I have kept in one of the folder. So image is there on my folder itself. Here is my folder. In that all the images are already there. So for me it will be very easy because image is there in the same folder. So this is my website. So I'll teach you step by step how to create it. Here in the notepad already the coding is been given. So I'll teach you step by step each coding. First I will copy this part till here, and then the final part, body close and HTML close. Without that it will not work. So here it is my body close. So HTML tag open, head tag open, title have written Flipkart, title close, head close. Body BG color is equal to I have used hexadecimal. So this is gray color. Table border I have used 0, width I have used 100%, and BG color I had given this is blue. Then inside table what we write, table row, and inside table row what we write, table data. Now table row tag open over here and table row tag close. Now TD open over here, align is equal to right hand side. There will be an image of the Flipkart, that is image logo.png, table data close. Now again there will be table data open, input type is equal to text, placeholder. Placeholder is where we search the product, and here during the time of the search, here it will be written over here, search for product, brands and more, table data close. This we will see in the form of output. Then table heading I have written in the color white, login and sign up. Then font close, again table heading, font color white I have written more, font close. Again in table heading I have put an image of the card, that it's a PNG image, table heading close, table row close and table close. We'll see the output how it looks like. It is there in my folder. Here there is an logo of the Flipkart. Here is my placeholder. You have written in a white font color, login and sign up. Here I have written in white color, and cart there is an image. I'll show you the coding. Body BG color I have used gray, table border I have used 0 with 100%, and BG color of the table is blue. You can see blue color. Then table row open here and table row close. In between on the right hand side I had used the logo of the Flipkart. You can see the Flipkart logo over here. Then I have used placeholder, search for products. You can see the search over here, search icon. Inside you will see search for product, brands as such. So this in the placeholder I have put the message. Placeholder is nothing where you can search your product. Then table heading, font color white I have used, and what I have written, login and sign up. You can see login and sign up has been written over here. Font close, table heading close. Again table heading open over here, font color is equal to white. I have written more. Here you can see in the white color more is been written. Font close, table heading close. Here again table heading open, image source space src is equal to cart.png. This is an image that I had put over here. Table heading close, table row close and table close. So this was the first part that we have done it of the Flipkart. You can see here the first part that we have done it is ready. Now move further with the other coding. Now the other part that we need to do, that is this. Copy, then paste it over here. Here we are putting okay table border 0, width is 100% and BG color is white, height is 8%. Table row open, table height okay we are occupying here, that is 12.5%. so 12.5% into 8, 100%, okay we are using the width of the page. Here we are giving okay the product name electronics. Here we are giving the product name, that is TVS and appliances, men, women, baby and kids, homes and furniture, sports, books and more, and offer zone. File, save. Let's see the output. Here you can see okay all the stuffs are there. I'll just open the notepad. Here table border open 0, width is 100%, BG color is white, height is 8%. so we had used the 8% of the height of the page. Now table row open over here. Now inside table row open I have used the table height. Width I have used okay 12.5% for electronics and 12.5% for TV and appliances, and 12.5% for men, 12.5% for women, 12.5% for babies and kids, 12.5% okay for homes and furniture, 12.5% of the width for sports, books and more, and 12.5% for offer zone. So table row was open, table row closed, and table heading immediately got open and immediately got closed. Here you can see table heading immediately open, immediately close, and table row close and table close. Then here I have to put okay image also. I'm copying and pasting this. I'm saving it. The banner of the page, already I have the banner image on my folder. I'm just refreshing it. Here I'll see the banner. I'll just explain you the code. So step by step okay my web page is getting developed. Now here I'm using the image, that is banner1.jpg. width I'm occupying the complete width, and I'm using the height of the page, that is 46%. Here you can see I'm using okay with the 46% of the height of the page, and width I'm occupying 100%, and I'm putting the image, that is banner1.jpg. Now after this copy and paste it. Here table BR means next line. Table border 0, width is 100%, BG color is white. Table row open and table row close. In between I am using the call span okay, that is 5. In that, in heading 2 I am writing what? School bags. Heading 2 close. Then after school bag there will, in the bottom there will be one line, that is horizontal rule, table data close. Now table row open, again here table row close. This will be on the another row, on the another line. Table heading is bags1.png. so all the 5 bags will be there. The width it will occupy 75%, 75%, 75%, 75%. So this was table heading. I'll just show you the first output. First I need to save it. File, save. I'll just refresh it. Here you can see the bags over here, and the bags are here. You can see call span 5, heading 2 I have written what? Bags, school bags over here. You can see the school bags written over here. Then heading 2 close. Then horizontal rule I have used okay, the single line. Here you can see the in the complete page the horizontal rule is there. Table row open, table row close. In the table heading okay, I have written the image bags1.png with the 75% and table heading close. So same I had copy paste okay 5 times. So I can see the 5 image over here, 1 2 3 4 5 image okay of the bag, and then table row was open over here, finally table row close, and table was open over here and table close. BR. Next line, same way I have to copy the another image, same concept, same coding I have to use over here. Now the one product was bag, now another product is earphones, same procedure. So now 5 earphones will be displayed on my web page. Same table border is equal to 0, width is equal to 100%. What I have written over here, same thing I have to write over here, BG color white. Now what I have written over here, TR open, same I have to write here, TR open over here. Then inside TR I have to write, okay, TD call span 5, H2 school bags, here replace school bags by earphone. Same H2 close, HR close, HR horizontal rule, and TD close. Now here TR open over here, inside table heading I have to write 5 images here of earphones. So one I have written, okay, of which 75%, same you have to copy paste for the 5 times. You can see the coding over here. First again I need to save, file, save, refresh. Here you can see, okay, 5 times, okay, like the earphones are here over here in the product category, and this is because I had copy paste, okay. There are 5 earphones files with me, earphone 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 types of earphones are there, so that I had copy paste. Same now goes for another product. Over here, open the notepad, again the same thing, table border for the another product, copy and paste it. Same table border 0 with 100%, BG color white, table row open, table row close. In between table row I had put the data call span 5, kitchen appliances, and below kitchen appliances there will be an horizontal rule, horizontal line, table data close. Now table row open, table row close. In between I had put 5 images of 5 kitchen 1, kitchen 2, kitchen 3, kitchen 4, kitchen 5. Width I had given 75%. Same coding, okay. I just need to replace the name and the image. So I am just saving it and I'll show you the output. Here you can see, okay, the 5 images, okay, of 5 kitchen appliances. I need to put one more product, so whichever product is there, I just need to copy and paste. Again I am copy pasting. I'll put one more product on my website, copy. Now which product I am putting over here, mobile phones. So here again same, table border is equal to 0, width is equal to 100%, BG color white, table row open, table row close. In between I am putting table data call span 5, and in heading to what I am writing, mobile phone, heading to close, and below mobile phone there will be one line, horizontal rule, horizontal line. Again table row open over here. Here I am writing table heading. In table heading, okay, I am putting, okay, 5 different mobile 1, 2, 3, 4, where I am using 75%, table heading close. Here now the 5 mobile will come. Refresh. Here you can see, okay, 5 mobile. Now one more product I need to put in. Again going to the notepad. Here we are putting one more product, that is pen drive. Copy and copy this and paste it over here. So one more product, that is pen drive. Same, table border open, table tag open, table tag close, border 0 with 100%, BG color white. Again table row open, table row close. In between table row, okay, what is that, table data call span 5, pen drive is my heading with the horizontal rule, line, table row open, table heading, image source, that is pen drive 1.png. so I am putting 5 different images of pen drive, and each image is occupying with 75%, along with table heading was open, table heading close. Here also it was open close, table heading open close, table heading open close, TR was open close, and table was open close. File, save, refresh. Here you have seen, okay, the pen drive has come. Now I will put one more last image. Again go into your notepad plus, copy this and paste in your file. This was the last image. Here what I am putting, tidy images. So table tag open, table tag close with 100% BG color white. Table row open, inside table row what I am writing tidy in heading 2 using call span. Again table row open where I am putting okay the 5 images of tidy 1 2 3 4 5. It is occupying with 75%, with table heading simultaneously open got close, open and table heading close, open and table heading close, open and table heading close, tr close, table close, body close and HTML close. So this was the final stuff of the web page. File save, refresh. So the same looks like, okay, refresh it. Here is the tidy. So this is the page we have created over here, same as like a Flipkart website. So this was a simple web page, okay, by applying an idea and creating some creativity, okay. Instead of okay doing copy paste creating a basic page, we have tried to use our creativity and try to make okay page as like Flipkart. If you the coding is over here, you can, if you want, you can copy down the coding. I'll just scroll it slowly so you all can note down the coding, but make sure the image has to be there. So starting the coding from here, I'm scrolling it, so you can pause the video and you can copy the codings. Slowly I'm scrolling it. It is very simple, okay. The more you can use any image, let's say if you are creating your own web page, so you can put your image also of your products, so it will be easier for you if you making a web page, okay, based on your product. So thing is such, the image has to be there, that's it. After the image, okay, you can make okay any web page. I hope you have understood okay the tutorials. Still if you have any query, okay, you can always ask me question in the comment box. Thank you.